Students, good morning. Today's lesson plan number 4 of English. Already lesson plan number 1, 2, 3 are uploaded in this channel. You can visit and see that plan to help. Okay, student, you can see just a minute. How can you make learning objectives and their outcomes? What will be outcomes? Then you can write teaching methods, which methods are appropriate for this topic or this subject. And next, TLM, which type of TLM you can use for explanation of this topic and for the benefits of the students. Then you can write previous knowledge of the students. You can assume that students have some previous knowledge or some general knowledge about this topic. You can assume like this, and you write this line. Okay, come on. Next, introduction. This is a question part. To start your topic, how can you start your topic? You can create a question and ask to the students. Then a statement of objectives. This is a line to start your topic. Come on. Next, okay students, this is a topic tree. You can present like this. I hope it is proper visible. If it is not visible, you can visit my Telegram channel and get PDF for your help. I hope you all know this is a new lesson plan for JCERT Jharkhand Ranchi. This is the second part of presentation. Or rest part you can explain or mention like this. There are 2 pages for the presentation. I hope you all are know about this. Come on. Last, recapitulation, then homework. How can recapitulate this topic through the questions? Then we can give a question, at least 3 questions to the students to repeat or know about this topic. I hope you are getting me. Okay, come on. Next, look, this is 4 boxes to put up your TLM. In this topic, you can make a chart paper, a picture of tree and other things. Which one comes from tree, and shadow also. Also, I gave a question, and this is question number 2. Make a tree and a shadow part also, है ना? You can give a question like this. Okay, students, I hope it is helpful for you. Okay, students, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं कि ये लेसन प्लान नंबर 4 है इंग्लिश का. इसी तरह इसके आगे के लेसन प्लान भी इसी चैनल पर मिलेंगे. इसके लिए आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करके रखें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि आपको सारे वीडियो जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको मिलते रहें. और अगर पसंद हो तो लाइक करें. और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात कि अगर आप इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं और आप इस सब्जेक्ट के नहीं हैं, किसी और सब्जेक्ट के हैं, या हिंदी मीडियम के हो या इंग्लिश मीडियम, डजंट मैटर, यू कैन कमेंट what is your queries, and what is your needs. You can write about all these things. What you want a next lesson plan, you can ask. सभी सब्जेक्ट के लेसन प्लान हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में लेसन प्लान के नंबर के साथ ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड हैं और किए जाते हैं। आप अपने नीड के हिसाब से उसको विजिट करें, देखिए और इसका फ़ायदा उठाएं। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर ऑफ यू।